Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a unboxing. I got sent a limited edition Melody Susie nail drill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys and give you my honest review. Um this I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, is my new fave. It's just so quiet. Um Unfortunately, due to my background, my cats and stuff, they be so loud, you guys can't really hear how quiet it is. So I'll probably show you guys another time in another video, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this box. Everything comes in this box. It is, let me go to the website for you guys. It is right now $89.99, but I have a code for you guys and you get 12% off. So with my code, you guys will be getting 10.79 off. So it will be 79.20, $79.20. All of this stuff comes in the kit. So all of these, like, you have a warranty on it. You also get a few thank you cards. You obviously get the instructions and all of that. Um, I didn't really feel like going through all of that, so yeah. This, the detail on this nail file is so good. It's like they know me because I love pink and I love gold. And this, they ate it up. It's so slim. Um, some drills hurt my hand, like when I hold it like a pencil. And basically, this is not like that at all. You also get a dust cleaner, a microfiber dust cleaner. Nice. You get 4 sheets of decals. You get a velvet bag to put your stuff in, your drill in. So soft. Oh my gosh. Yes. They give you the little sanding bits. These are 180 sanding, what is it? 180 grit. You guys know what I'm trying to say. um, so I'm just hooking it up for you guys. And like I said, the detail on this is just so exquisite. Like, the gold is so nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, you just don't understand. I love how the details on this is. You also get a charger. They give you a block with a charger, a little holder for the handheld part of the drill. Go ahead and take that plastic off. You get buffers. Well, one buffer. You get some more sanding bits because you get another little kit of, you guys seen it. Yeah, that right there. You get some more of those. So you have the sanding bit for that, the charger, and that last little thing is basically to clean your nail bits off. That was basically everything that comes in this. That is a steal for how much it is, and then you get a $10 discount. So, yeah, if you guys want it, go ahead and get it. I will link it down below and the code down below as well. Um, please, Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you don't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. If you guys are looking for a new drill, I definitely highly recommend this because I've been using it and it's really so quiet. It 180, that 180, I swear, like, I definitely recommend it. And if you're using anything higher than that, or what is that? The lower, the more hard it is. Yeah, no. 180 is perfect. And it goes all the way up to 35. You can't really see it, so I'm going to turn the light off. It goes up to 35. It's still really, really quiet. Let me see. It also has a forward and a backward button. What is it? Forward and reverse, and then a pause and play. Um, but I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. Whenever I use it, I don't even go as high as like three. One is pretty strong. Like, it's on a one right now. It looks like I'm being really aggressive, but I'm really not. It's really on one. I can't do anything any higher than that because um it's just really powerful. So you don't really need to do much. That's why I like it. Like, you can use it and keep it going. The only reason why I was going so hard on my thumb is because I had gel on top of it. That's not even my nail bed. That's actually gel. But yeah, I've been using this for about 2 weeks. I think is it 2 weeks? It's going on 2 weeks. And yeah, I definitely like it. It's much better than the other Melody Susie one that they sent me. If I'm being honest. I didn't use that one till the wheels fell off. The the stickers on it is coming off for the buttons and all of that. Like, I didn't use this for so long. So I'm very appreciative of them sending me a new one, and I definitely recommend it because the price is very good for everything that comes in it. They basically made it to where you can have long-term use with that bag that they give you. They give you something to dust your tools off after using it. All of the things that you need in a kit, they basically put it in this kit, and you can get it for $79. So yeah, use my code. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.